Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something fairly simple. Working on my wife's Suburban today. I'm just going to throw some door pins out and bushings in it. Because hopefully you can see there's a little sag in the door there.
What year is this model, Phil?
This is a 1996 model. Don't mind the rust.
And the style of hinge pins we're changing run through most of the 90s?
Yeah, pretty much. They're just regular hinge pins.
Adjust your hood over here.
So now that the weight is on the jack, we can start taking the pins out.
Damn. God damn, that's already out.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
You just gotta wiggle it. I'll wiggle the door. Make sure we're holding it so it don't fall off. Now put the bottom, or put that one back in.
Gotta put the bushings in too, don't you?
Yeah.
Send it.
Just push the button. Alright, we're loose.
Alright, grab your door.
So, we just got the bottom pin out. Top one fell out, basically. So now we're going to move the door off of the hinges.
Should have rolled the window down for this.
Probably should have. And take the old bushings out, I guess.
Hey,
There's
the Waller hole will be better than
the brass bushing. It's well worn.
Is the other set like that? Maybe that's the way they come.
Anyway, this is more or less what your new bushings are supposed to look like. I was trying to make sure I was in frame.
I just thought you were...
No, I wasn't. Okay. So, Colin just informed me that the smaller of the two bushings for the bottom hinge goes up into the bottom hole in the hinge. And also, this is a neat little tool that you can use. It's just a bolt and some washers. Hopefully I'm getting this in. There we go. And a nut that you use to press these in.
So it doesn't shatter like
So
the one
it doesn't
that came with
shatter.
the set.
Yes, exactly. Alright, so now you got it.
So now the bigger bushing in the top here, down through the top,
Down through the top?
down through the top of the door side hinge, because it goes inside the bottom hinge, whereas the top one goes on the outside. So on the top hinge, the bushing is going to go in your body side hinge, the small one on the top and the big one on the bottom. Alright, so we have our top bushing in and our bottom bushing in. Now we're we're going to slide the door back in place and put the pin in.
We're going to attempt to slide the door back in place.
I think that's it.
Alright guys, we got the door together, new pins in. As you can see, our gap's a little better. It closes down through here all the way, nice and tight. So, next step, the rod's off the handle in there. That's not too bad of a job to do. So, but we didn't want to get that done until after we had new bushings in there, because they're just going to continue to slam the door and break it again.